Everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your headphones to your Android phone. So I have these JLab headphones. These are nice enough. And what I want to do is just go to the home screen, swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, and then go on over to Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on and start scanning for the device. Should be doing it automatically. Now go to your headset. So on the JLabs, all I have to do is open up this case and it should scan for them and look for them. But we can turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on, and my headset will appear on here. So here's the JLab J something, and then I can go to pair. So if it's not finding the device, just turn it off and turn it back on. It looks like it's saved right there. So very easy to do. And then I can go to the arrow here and I can look at it, allow access to contacts and call history. So I might need that on or off for that permission, and then I can unpair it right there in the future. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming next on Euro 6 Studios.